Now let's get into the drama that is the Intense 5. Where to start? Upcoming artist Ritical, who really has one of the hottest street songs, was allegedly caught with a firearm in Bull Bay. Oh boy, just the music na man, jeez.
Guys, make up on your mind. What do you want to be? You know, who do you want to be? Two people who are definitely doing music are IKEA and Dexter. The performance they put down the other day. No sir, Dexter, please behave yourself.
I know, because that song,
the ladies them want to tell Dexter to call them. If Dexter, behave yourself.
don't behave Dexter. We love to see it.
Oh God.
Guess who is going back to dancehall? Well, dancehall gospel. I'm sure you guessed Marion Hall, but I wonder if she's going to change her name.
I don't think so.
She going to keep that Marion Hall?
Yeah.
I mean, if it's still gospel she's doing, yeah, why not?
From the videos of people making off with the plane door, to the one giving us the tour, telling us to like and subscribe, to the people saying how the mysterious pilots vanished. No sir, this is like a movie. Oh, and if you want to see the plane, you can get a ride in a raft for $1,000. We name make money by all means, okay? Get the cheddar.
How about the plane drop again?
Oh, the plane drop out a Rocky Point. So this name, get the cheddar, money maker, any weather.
Sure,
okay?
Sure. Can we go?
Don't take a plane tour.
I want to take a plane tour.
You must see one police gonna lock you.
And finally holding the spot this week, Movado's son found guilty of murder. His lawyers say they will appeal, but in the meantime, he's being sentenced on March 11th. Whew. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.